Hello, my name is Yesica Paez. I am a student agronomy. I will present the step by step of doing a compost. Next. The materials compost is a composter, rake, crumbing shears, organic wet. The organic wet that we can use are green, net, manure, green leaves, grease pruning, remains, wood sheets, remains of pruning, or clean of brushes or body grades, nut shells, fruit bond, and flowers. Next. By step by step. One, prepare and locate the composter or area where you are going to start the compost pile. Two, prepare your organic wet. You must separate the wet waste and dry waste. Three, for a base. With the most water materials available. Fourth, add a first layer of dry residue. Always share it with scissors. From here, you have to alternate the layers of wet and dry wet to make quick omelette homemade compost. 6. Cover your compost bin and place it in a shade place where it receives good airflow. The microorganisms that will be working in the composter need oxygen and humid environment to stay alive. So it is very important that the sun doesn't shine on them. Thank you.